What's going on, Maleko?
Hey, thanks for that, Tasia. 5:50 on Good Morning Hawaii here. On Saturday, Chaminade University welcomed their 10th president, and we're sitting here as a chance to meet Dr. Lynn Babington, who was officially sworn in as Chaminade University's president on Saturday. Thanks for joining us.
Well, thank you so much. It's a privilege to be here.
It's great to have you here. Now, I understand you've actually been at the university since August, kind of getting familiar with the grounds and putting your hands on some of the projects that are working there. How's your experience been so far?
The experience has been wonderful. Chaminade's a wonderful, warm, and embracing community, as is the entire Honolulu community. So it's been wonderful to meet community partners as well as our students and faculty and staff, and really begin to shape where we need to be in the future and begin to develop some programs that can help us be a very relevant, innovative university here in Hawaii.
And you talk about innovation. That's one of the things that you've put first and foremost on your plan for the university. What kind of innovative projects are you working on?
Well, what we've really done is we've looked at what are the workforce needs here in Hawaii. We want to educate our students to stay here, go to school, and have the kinds of jobs that really diversify the workforce here in Hawaii and allow the economy to grow. So for example, we've partnered with the healthcare community, both insurers and all the healthcare providers, and they said we need students with business backgrounds in healthcare. So we are launching an MBA program with a focus on healthcare, looking at the aging population. Therefore, we have an excellent nursing program, and we'll have postgraduate opportunities in the area of geriatrics and older adult care. So any number of areas like this. Data science is a big area and a huge need here in Hawaii. Everybody uses big data and analyzes the big data to answer questions and solve problems, and yet there's a real dearth of expertise in this area. So we have a very robust data science, data visualization, and data analytics, and we're working with actual businesses here to use their data, our students are, to help them figure out what problems they're trying to solve. So we think that we'll be able to make a big difference in that area here.
One of the big obstacles to enrollment is making sure that students feel as though they're getting a return on their investment.
Right.
You know, you get students into the university, they want to know that when they get out, they're going to get a job. Community involvement is big on that, and you partnered with some of the biggest local community businesses who hire in Hawaii.
We absolutely do. We think it's critical that our return on investment we can talk to our parents about this, in fact, is twofold. One is we have a 4-year guarantee, meaning that if you do not finish your degree in 4 years, you don't have to pay for the extra time.
Wow.
That's a huge incentive.
That's incredible.
Our advisors work with students, but also we believe in internships and preceptorships and actually engaged learning so our students graduate having worked in businesses, either directly in internships, doing community service projects, and/or service learning. So by the time they leave, they are team ready, they can hit the workforce very successfully, and that's really one of the outcomes that we think is very important for students. Absolutely, and living in a community as small as Hawaii, having the networking ability before you leave school just makes it so much easier to land a job. And we know that if you're a student and you work in a company or a business, you're more likely to get hired there. And we've had great outcomes. Our students graduate and they get jobs, and that's really what higher ed's all about. Dr. Babington, thanks for coming in this morning.
Thank you. So great to meet you. Good luck at the university. We'll be right back with more of today's top stories here in just a few minutes. Plus, Tasia is back outside with weather and traffic right after this break. Stay with us.